Bahamas, get ready to have a Merry Christmas as Fantastic Four Promotion brings to you the biggest show to hit Nassau in years. It's Jingle Ball 2, featuring for the first time in Nassau Interscope's R&B recording sensation, Lloyd, along with the hitmaker, Christopher Martin.
Oh, Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend.
Also hitting the Jingle Ball stage, hip-hop sensation out of Miami, Black Dada. The Bad Gal out of Jamaica, Cecile, along with MDs and Melanie, and many more. All artists are performing live for Jingle Ball 2, Thursday, December 22nd at Mario's Bowling and Entertainment Palace. Doors open at 9 p.m. and security will be strictly enforced. Get your advance tickets now for $25 general admission, $40 VIP, and $100 platinum, which includes bottle service and hors d'oeuvres. Get your tickets now at Mario's, Airbrush Junkies, Mall at Marathon, and Bijou Classic Montrose Avenue and Wolf Road. Powered by Mega Hits Web Shops. Play small, win big.